Pingin kong intindihin ang pakiramdam ni Sharon. Kasi sa kabila na matapos na concert na nagkita-kita silang tatlong pamilya, wala na, hindi na nagparamdam si Casey kay Sharon ulit.
Let's go!
Good morning mga kachika, isang mainit-init ngunit malaman na balita na naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon kung saan ay marami sa ating mga kababayan ang naging masaya matapos nga di umanong makita na naging magkasamang muli si Casey Concepcion at ang mga magulang nito na si Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion. Kasi matatandaan kamakailan lamang na pumutok ang balitang hindi daw di umano in good terms ang mag-inang Sharon Cuneta at Casey Concepcion sa di malamang dahilan. Kaya naman maraming mga Sharonian at mga taga-suporta ni Casey Concepcion ang natuwa nang lumabas ng balitang naging okay na ang mag-ina. Ito ay matapos nilang makita na magkasama ang dalawa sa isang stage na talagang sobrang cute at sobrang ganda tingnan, na para bang tunay at totoong nagmamahal ang mag-ina. Ayon pa sa official report na inilabas ng Philippine Stars sa kanilang official website, and quoted, "Casey to parents Sharon, Gabby, you both are my dear heart. Manila, Philippines, the most touching moment of the Dear Heart reunion shows a former real and real-life partners Sharon Cuneta and Gabby Concepcion was when their daughter Casey joined them on a stage at the Mall of Asia MOA Arena on Friday night. Shagab's first concert together was titled after their love team's debut movie about first love, Dear Heart, in 1981. As Casey sang the George Canseco classic Ikaw to her parents, there wasn't a dry eye, both in the audience and on the stage itself. Dear Heart was not only a memorable moment for Shagab's dedicated fans throughout the years, but also a heartfelt gift to their daughter, like a testament to what parents will do on their children despite challenges and separation. Sharon and Gabby wed in 1984 welcomed Casey at the year after. Some 2 years later, they separated and eventually got annulled. So one can only imagine the joy and pride in Casey's Dear Heart as she stood with her mama Sharon and Papa Gabby reconnecting on stage. "Wow, I feel like I'm in a dream," Casey said. "Ito yung madalas kong pinagdadasal na sana one day we could sing together. Tayong tatlo. But this was a surprise," said Gabby on Casey, who just flew in from abroad that day before. Sharon also shared how her eldest of 4 kids made my life complete, adding, "If there's anything I regret, sorry Casey, I didn't give you the complete family. But you have 2 families now, and your papa and I never stopped loving you. You will never be the problem." Gabby then teased Sharon and Casey, "Okay na kayo ha? Pag sinabi kong okay na sila, okay na kami. I'm happy." The emotional high point of the evening came at Casey spoke about her parents, while hugging and crying Sharon and Gabby could be seen teasing his ex-wife in the background. Casey joked, "May away na sa likod eh. Teka lang, moment ko to," before turning serious in the tribute sa lahat ng single moms na nandito ngayon or naging single mom dati. "Thank you for loving your children. The way na minahal ako ng mom ko, sa lahat ng fathers out there na talagang mahal na mahal nila ang anak nila. Papa, thank you for being there just like mom sa buhay ko. Nung lumaki na ako, tumanda na ako." She addressed her parents again. "You know the past. Past na yun eh. What matters most is yung ngayon and bukas. Pareho ko kayong mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal. You both are my dear heart," she sweetly told Gabby and Sharon, and a collective ow would be heard throughout MOA. The parents also hard launched Casey's special someone Michael Mike Woodrich during the concert. Yung mga minamahal ni Casey at nagmamahal kay Casey, "Michael, take care of her," Gabby said during the show. "Michael, take care of my baby," Sharon also told her daughter's day. Beside the happy tears, there was the lots of laughter and kilig. He gave them the ultimate fan service from start to finish. The megastar first appeared with "I Don't Want You to Go" from the soundtrack of their first Viva film together, "P.S. I Love You," followed by the veteran leading man with "Kumusta Ka," pinned by this section columnist Baby Hill, which became their 2018 MacDo commercial theme song. The entire show featured themes from their string and big screen hits, including P.S. I Love You 1981, My Only Love 1982, Dapat Ka Bang Mahalin 1984, Sa Hirap at Ginhawa 1984, at their last one even after parting ways, Tayong Dalawa 1992. Also performed were iconic soundtrack from Sharon films with other leading men, plus more OPM gems that saw Gabby taking charge of the upbeat portion of the show. The Dear Heart team come what they became the encore, with Gabby playfully pulling Sharon towards him and hiding behind her gown to suggest a kiss. Perhaps the less they could give to the fans' persistent request for a kiss. Meanwhile, Gabby admitted he was more an actor than a singer. But these vocal chops were probably the biggest surprise that night. Even Sharon declared he could stage his own concert. Hearing Sharon, on the other hand, as my seatmates pointed out, was like listening to a live recording with her voice in such great condition. And she looked great from hair to styling that highlighted her weight loss journey. But what is Shagab reunion without bringing up the past? Song where interspersed with segments and spills about the history of their successful love team. Gabby shared that during filming of Dear Heart, where it all started, he and Sharon were not talking to each other. Director-writer Danny Shalceta had to put just the two of them in a room to work on their chemistry. OPM power couple Ogie Alcacid and Regine Velasquez also guested to the Conduct Q&A about Shagab as a real couple in the past. What is the best part of being a married? Began OG. When I became a partner to Casey was the highlight and one of the most exciting moments of my life. We were parenting at the time, Gabby. Sharon also asked Gabby, aside from having our daughter being married, what was the best part for you? Yung nagluluto ka at kakain ako. Chicken curry, arroz a la cubana with 2 fried eggs on top, offered the actor. Sharon then revealed, wala pa akong nakilala na lalaki na kasing lambing ko kung di siya. When asked about his biggest regret, Gabby said he doesn't have one. We should not regret anything that happened to us. And kung ano man yon, ayusin natin, ha? Addressing Sharon para maging okay ang lahat. Or if no, they should stay seated, they were told. OG and Regine then dropped the biggest fan question of them all. Mahal niyo pa ba ang isa't isa? If the answer was yes, they should stand up. Wag naman ganon. Iba-iba ang levels ng love, said Sharon. The Gabby stood up and quipped, ako nasa level na to, prompting OG to jokingly throw his chair to the crowd out of super kilig. Overall, Dear Heart, the concert was more than the proof of the enduring Shagab magic. It was a nice fairy tale to experience, even for the just 2 hours and some 30 minutes on a traffic-heavy Friday night. The banters and the references to their past were tasteful and didn't go overboard. The show recognized that they happily have separated lives as own families to return to. There was none of the slight awkwardness, or was it tension, that some press felt at the MediaCon some months back. It wouldn't surprising if this opens up more possibilities like an international tour or finally another movie. Or better yet, as their daughter Casey suggested in a special video in the end part, forgiveness, reconnection, and lasting friendship. End quote. Matapos nga lumabas ang balitang ito ay bigla namang nagulat ang marami sa ating mga kababayan nang pumutok muli ang panibagong balita na hindi na naman di umano in good terms ang mag-ina. Kasi marami daw di umanong importanteng events na nangyari sa buhay ng dalawa, pero meski isa ay wala daw itong ipinakita sa mundo ng social media na nagbatian ang mag-ina. Marami sa ating mga kababayan ang nagsasabi na baka naman daw nagbatian ng dalawa pero hindi lang nila ito ibinahagi sa publiko. Pero marami naman ang nagsasabi na talagang meron daw di umanong malalim na dahilan kung bakit hindi nagbatian ang dalawa. At ang malalim na dahilan daw na ito ay hindi kayang resolbahin ng kanilang mga tagahanga dahil ang kaya lamang daw na magresolba nito ay ang kanilang mga sarili. Ayon pa sa official report na inilabas ng The Philippine Star sa kanilang official website and quoted, Sharon Cuneta, Casey Concepcion is still estranged but Sharon proud Casey's Hollywood feat. Manila, Philippines Sharon Cuneta said she has not seen her daughter Casey Concepcion since the megastar Dear Heart concert with ex-husband Gabby Concepcion last October. At a roundtable interview last Tuesday following her performances to celebrate the 5th anniversary of the She Rose campaign of the Filipino insurance company in Life Insular Life, for which she is the endorser, the award-winning actor-singer said that she and Casey were texting even after the concert, then nothing more. Before October, I hadn't seen her for like 8-9 months, Sharon tweeted. Siguro since she grew up, she became very independent. we can't blame her. But don't blame me either, Sharon quipped. Basta I did my best as a mom, and the other kids are still with me. And if she has another opinion, then there's really nothing I can do about it. Sharon said she did not know why Casey had been distanced with her again. I don't know what her view with me was, the megastar said. Her husband, politician Francis Kiko Pangilinan, has been a good stepfather to Casey. So Sharon admitted she was hurt with Casey about Kiko in the past. Siguro hindi maiwasan, there are hard feelings now, Cuneta said. So to the end, siguro even if Casey and I never have relationship again, I know that we'll always love each other. And she's turning 39, so alam na niya yung right from wrong. Sharon clarified that it was not her who introduced Casey to the producer of her Hollywood movie Asian Persuasion, but she is the one who pursued her daughter to do the film. When it was offered to her, she wasn't feeling like doing it. So I said, do it, anak. So you'll have exposure there, Cuneta recalled. Sharon, however, stressed that she is proud that Casey can fend for herself and does not rely on anyone for money or livelihood. That at least I am proud of, said. Whenever Casey does for the better, I will always be proud of her. I wish her happiness and I love her.
Hindi ako kikibo dito na una. Ewan ko lang kung kikibo ito. Basta alam kung kikibo ngayon, nasa kanan ko. Dahil siyempre, Sharonian ka. Ano na naman ba nagaganap sa iyong idolo?
Pinipilit kong intindihin ang pakiramdam ni Sharon. Kasi sa kabila ng matapos na concert na nagkita-kita silang tatlong pamilya, si Gabi, si Casey, si Sharon, wala na. Hindi na nagparamdam si Casey kay Sharon ulit.
Si Sharon kay Casey?
Oo. Ganun wala na. Di ba? Laging inaantay lang ni Sharon ang tawag at text ng anak, saka siya mag-reply. At siguro nag-aantayin sila. Kaya ito na, inaarya na naman sila ng mga tao. Bakit gano'n? Ano naman ang nangyari sa mag-ina? Bakit parang wala na naman sila sa social media sa island, hindi nagpapalit at nagkikibuan?
Kasi nag-birthday si Casey. April 7. Nag-birthday si Casey. Wala tayong nakitang ipinost si Sharon at si dating Senador Kiko. So may interpretasyon na namang negatibo.
Parang hindi nila binati.
Pero malay naman po natin kung nag-usap pala yung mag-ina. Di ba? Nag-usap pala ng privado. Hindi lang ipinakita sa publiko. Ngayon naman, nagdiwang ng anibersaryo ang mag-asawa, wala ring post si Casey. So nabuhay na naman yung, kasi nga meron silang hidwaan ni dating senador kasi parang kinontra ang Swiss boyfriend.
Oo daw.
Kumontra.
Parang hindi sila bet.
Parang ganon. Tapos meron naman nagsasabi, alam mo, napakalalim talaga ng problema ng mag-inang ito. Kasi para bang, buti pa nga ang bulkan, pag sumabog, sabog talaga. Hindi yung parang bibigay ngayon, maya-maya wala. Bukas makalawa, meron na naman. Tapos biglang wala na naman. Hindi raw kaya ang dahilan nito ay yung pamana na dapat ay pinaghatian nila kay Mami Elaine. Nadadamay tuloy pati mga namayapa na.
Hindi nga diba ang lagi ko tinatanong sa'yo na siguro ang lalim-lalim ng pinag-awayan na mag-ina ito. Kasi mawawala. Babalik, mawawala. Hindi nalalagyan ng solusyon. Ano yun?
At saka parang si Casey ngayon, she doesn't care anymore. Nakita mo? Kaibigan niya, kasama niya, mga tao. Kasi siguro niya, mas mabuti na napakaigsi ng buhay. Ibibigay ko na ang panahon ko sa mga tao na nakakapagpasaya sa akin. Di ba?
Siyempre, ang iisipan naman ni Sharon, kung yun nga, nabibigyan mo ng oras.
Kami pa kaya. Ako, nanay mo, na mag-isang nagtaguyod sa'yo noong bata ka pa dahil iniwan ka ng ama mo.
May hugot talaga si Sharon.
Babalik na naman yung mga...
Parehong may katwiran, parehong may punto. Kaya lang, kung saan nag-uugat, yun ang hindi natin alam. Malalim to. Hindi po natin masusukat. Siguradong meron. At siguradong hindi kayang tugunan ng publiko. Sila lang ang makakapag-ayos nito.
Ang nakakapagtaka, ayaw nating isipin na baka isang araw may magsalita sa kanila ang dahilan totoong hidwaan nila. Yun ang nakakapagtaka.
Pero alam mo, yung mga nanunumbat kay Casey, anong klase kang anak? Ang nanay mo lang ang nakasama mo habang panahon. Kung kailan nakilala mo lang ang ama mo, tapos ngayon parang mas close ka pa sa kanya. May ganyan. Pero naman sasagot naman, bardagulan nga may sasagot naman, paano naman magiging close si Casey sa nanay niya? Kapag nagkakaroon sila ng hindi magandang tinginan ng kanyang mga kapatid, kumakampi agad ang mami niya doon sa mga sisters niya.
Napakalalim talaga.
So si Sharon, tumutulay sa alambre, sabi ko nga, di ba? Hindi niya alam saan siya pupunta.
Tsaka di ba napapansin natin si Sharon ay meron siyang parang gustong sabihin pero hindi niya mapakawalan.
May pumipigil
sa kanya dahil bilang isang ina, ayaw naman, di ba?
Tama, mahal niya si Casey. At mahal din niya ang kanyang mag-ama.
Correct.
Napakahirap ng kanyang
sitwasyon. Naku, hindi matatapos talaga tong kwentong ito.
Maliban na lang kung talagang sila mismo ang tatapos. Diba?
Yung uupuan nila na talagang ganito. Yan lang.
Kung dapat noon pa nilang ginawa yan. Ay ngayon
paulit-ulit
na lang yun eh. Kung noon pa nilang ginawa yun, hindi natapos na ang lahat, di ba? Kung bago mag-concert, di ba? Nung bago mag-concert, di ba? Nagkaroon pa sila ng
ganda na nga nung nag-concert.
Sinabi po lahat na nga, napapasaya ang session na.
Nagpasko pa nga si Casey. Sa pamilya Pangilinan. O di ang akala naman natin ay nasusiyan na, isarado na. Hindi pa rin pala.
Mayroon pa pala.
Pero alam mo, nagpapalaki talaga yung bulong. Yung bulong
Ay.
Mahirap na may bumubulong sa isang tao na madali namang maniwala. Kung sino man yung binubulungan at naniniwala, hindi natin sasabihin.
Yes.
Basta pinakamahirap yun.
Ang mahirap lang
maniwala sa mga bulong at susol.
Ang mahirap lang kasi pag binulungan sa one-sided ka agad.
Sino ba ang tinutukoy mo?
Sino may binubulungan dyan?
Ako wala akong tinutukoy
Hindi, katulad, pag binulungan yung isa,
Sino bang isa yan?
sa tingin natin, ilagay natin sa, kung binulungan si Sharon ng ganon, siyempre parang ibig sabihin parang one-sided sa kagad, parang hindi sa kagad maniwala dun sa, dapat kasi kunin niya muna rin yung ng isa,
diba
bago
sabi nga,
sabihin.
ang magulang, ang lubid na nagdudugtong kapag nalalagot, di ba?
Oo, tama,
Ganun yun eh.
oo.
May mga anak na nagkakaroon ng hidwaan or maaaring ang kanyang asawa at ang kanyang mga anak. Pero yung nanay, yung glue,
Tama.
siya yung nagdidikit ulit. Diba? Kaya napakahirap pag wala na ang nanay.
Ay, oo.
Totoo yan.
Magwawatak-watak.
Kapag wala na ang nanay, parang walis ting-ting, kakalat na.
Hiwa-hiwalay
Wala
na.
na kasing...
Sabog na.
Oo, wala na talagang humahawa. Pinakamahirap. Wala nang glue na nagdidikit sa kanila. Yun yun.
Oo.
Kaya habang may panahon pa, ang sarap ng tratuhan ng magnanay.
Oo.
Ay, oo.
No?
At saka
Sana
sana,
maayos na.
oo, makita natin sila talaga na ayos na talagang tapos na yung ayos, hindi na maghihiwalay.
At wala nang magpapadala sa bulong at
At yun na nga mga kachika, kung nagustuhan mo ang hot topic natin for today's video, ay ano pang inaantay mo? Mag-like ka na at i-share mo na din para mas marami pang magkakaalam sa hot topic na ito. Maraming salamat!